Hi everyone! Well done for taking the first step towards securing your studies and building a good career for yourself. My name is Nuraan Latief and I'm here today to chat to you about the possibility of studying information systems at the University of the Western Cape. Information systems, or IS, will be one of your subject choices if you choose to pursue a BCom degree at the EMS or Economic and Management Sciences faculty. So it's important that you have some idea of what we do here in our department and what to expect if you choose to study with us. In this presentation, you will hear information about who we are as a department, what information systems entails, why you should study information systems with us, career options if you choose to study information systems, skills needed by industry, and our contact information. I'm here today representing a dynamic team of hardworking, passionate, highly qualified, and diverse professionals who specialize in various aspects of information systems and technology. Our staff complement currently comprises of 1 full professor, 2 associate professors, 14 teaching staff, and 4 administrators. We love what we do. We are passionate about our students and about digital transformation and innovation. As educators, we are committed to producing knowledgeable and skilled graduates who will become critical thinkers and thought leaders in both organizational and societal transformation. We want our students to be equipped with the fundamental competencies to become trendsetters and leaders of positive change in the world. We work towards producing graduates that are not only ready and able to contend in a fast-changing workplace, but are also able to adjust to the speed of digital change and who will be contributors to real-world issues through quality IS research and sustainable innovation. So now you're probably wondering, what is information systems all about? Well, let me tell you. An information system is basically made up of 6 components, which you already know about. In fact, you use information systems every day. Take a moment to think about the social media application that you use the most every day. It could be WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. You will need a mobile device or cell phone. This is regarded as hardware. The app that you choose to use is referred to as software. Let's use WhatsApp for this example. You will of course need to be connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data in order to share and receive data or messages. This we refer to as network connectivity. The cell phone and app won't work by itself. It needs you to tell it what to do. So a key component is people, and people use processes to find their way around information systems. And lastly, as I alluded to, your status updates, chats, pics, and voice notes are all regarded as data, and data needs an organized storage so that you are able to find what you're looking for later. For example, you can search for past conversations, you can store favorite conversations, etc. In information systems, we focus on the efficient management of all of these components to ensure that they are used optimally in order to provide useful information and measurable benefits to organizations and society at large. This means that we look at how best to design technology-related systems so that when people use their technologies, they will have meaningful experiences. I'm sure you will agree with me that the world we live in has been changing rapidly, and this is mostly due to advances in technology and innovation and the network effect of the internet, as well as exponential growth in data. COVID-19 has shone a light on this and thrust us into the depth of technology usage as we navigate and try to survive this pandemic. In fact, since the turn of the 21st century, ICTs have had a profound impact across all spheres of society due to the rapid advances in technology. The internet in particular has transformed the way we live our lives, including how we buy, search for, and share information, even how we interact with each other. behind every online innovation is an information system. In the current era, very few of us can imagine a life without information systems and the associated technologies. Such a life would be void of a number of conveniences that many people take for granted. For example, banking and financial transactions have become more secure and efficient by using input technology for scanning signatures directly onto forms and documents and using biometric software for fingerprint identification. This includes the streaming of movies like Netflix, social media like Twitter, Facebook, etc., and the convenience of online banking, food delivery services like Uber Eats, gaming, shopping, to name but a few. There are very few limitations to modern technology. These advances in technology have enabled us to see the world differently and to do things differently. What does this mean for you as a prospective student? How has your world changed because of technology? How do you think technology will impact the world in 5, 10 or 20 years' time? How do you think technology will impact your life in 5 or 10 or 20 years' time? If I have not yet convinced you of the importance of studying information systems, let me show you the top 3 reasons why you should consider information systems. Information systems is a multidisciplinary field that cuts across virtually all industries in the world. An information systems degree offers you diverse career options, and it allows you to grow in any career, vertically and horizontally. With an information systems degree, you will be contributing to the future of technology and global innovation in the 4th Industrial Revolution, or 4IR. In addition, a degree with a major in information systems will help you to understand how to design systems to meet user needs. It will also help you to develop the skills to help an organization solve problems and achieve its objectives through the successful implementation of information systems. Additionally, you will hone your creative and problem-solving skills, including your ability to collaborate and communicate. All of the latter are just as important as technical skills. Information systems modules are offered in conjunction with other subject options at the EMS faculty. Currently, we offer a total of 9 undergraduate modules spread over 3 years. A student who wishes to major in information systems must take all of these 9 modules. Note that there is a selection process for certain second-year modules, which in turn become prerequisites for certain third-year modules. The first year of our undergraduate program will introduce you to business information systems with a focus on the link between business and IT, or information technology. At this level, you will understand the role of information systems within a business, as well as fundamental IS concepts. Students will also be introduced to more practical aspects by learning how to develop basic websites by using programming languages such as HTML and CSS. The second year focuses on identifying business needs with the purpose of determining innovative ways to improve the manner in which business operations are done. This program enters into the analysis of user and system requirements and the design of information systems architecture. The second year also considers IS project management. In addition, there is also an option to pursue a more technical route. The third year shifts to the managerial issues of information systems strategy and the role of IS architecture in an enterprise. Students are also exposed to entrepreneurship and how to create a strategy to potentially start their own businesses. In addition, for those students pursuing the technical stream, there is a strong focus on software development, where students are required to develop functional applications using modern programming languages and IS development frameworks. At the end of the third year, our students who have completed all of the undergraduate modules are well-rounded with many of the competencies required by industry employers. Our department prides itself on its full-time and part-time honours degree program. As a first step into postgraduate studies, the honours degree offers you an opportunity to develop more specialised skills for participating in the digital economy. The listed subjects here prepare you to understand the complexities of IS in order to enable you to design and implement technology in a complex society. This program is designed for holistic student development with an industry integrated approach. We also offer a number of postgraduate qualifications. The Postgraduate Diploma in Computer and Media Application, Data Analytics and Business Intelligence focuses on the potential wealth of data and data sets. The Postgraduate Diploma in Computer and Media Applications, E-Logistics, focuses on the supply chain and logistics with data analytics and big data. There are also two master's programs. The Master of Commerce in Information Management, E-Logistics, is a structured master's degree comprising of modules dealing with data management, analytics and machine learning, logistics processes and information systems, supply chain management analytics, and management communication. The Master of Commerce in Information Systems is a research degree which enables a master's candidate to undertake cutting-edge research into a delineated information systems problem from one of our departmental research foci under the guidance of a supervisor. And lastly, the PhD in Information Systems degree is a capstone degree that is usually pursued for the purpose of a career in research, either in academia or in industry. The department has a number of academic experts who have a range of research expertise. As such, successful Masters and PhD applicants can expect to undertake research in one of these areas. Any stakeholder or prospective partners who have an interest in any of these areas are also welcome to contact us. Given the increasing pervasiveness of technology in almost every sphere of life, IS graduates are much sought after by public and private sector organizations. I can list a number of typical job profiles resulting from an IS degree, and I will do so in a minute. However, from my experience, contemporary workplaces are more concerned about the competencies that graduates can demonstrate, and we've seen how job functions and titles have changed over the years. So study hard in order to build your knowledge base and hone your skills during your degree so that you will have many options for a career when you graduate with a degree in IS. In addition to the many options for IS graduates, many pursue a path of entrepreneurship in which they seek to start small businesses or micro enterprises which grow to become very successful startups. This screen shows the estimated salary earnings per month for various IS related job functions. As you look from right to left, you will see that the higher qualifications and competence levels in the IT field, the higher the salary increases. The salaries range from a software developer earning an estimated 65,000 Rand per month, and on the other end of the spectrum, a CIO earning an estimated 141,000 Rand per month. The screenshot here shows the jobs that are most in demand at the current point in time. Notice that IT and business management are of the most demanded jobs in South Africa currently. Conversely, when looking at the supply side, it is significant to note that there is not a large supply of resources in the IT field. This means that there are many opportunities for IS and IT graduates who demonstrate the correct competencies needed by employers. So what are these competencies, you may be asking? While the IT field is technologically focused, soft skills are equally important. It is often these soft skills that will set you apart from other graduates and employees. Technical skills may change as technology advances. These are the current, most sought after technical skills. In a world that has become increasingly data and technology driven, you will inevitably be using information systems in whichever degree or career choice you end up choosing. So let us help you plan for a great career and prepare for a technology-driven world. I hope that I've given you a good idea of what information systems is all about, and hopefully I've convinced you to pursue your studies with us. I want to leave you with a quote. Technology is the campfire around which we tell stories, by Laurie Anderson. What does this mean for you? Think about the most exciting sci-fi or action movie you've watched. Think about how long you can do without your cell phone. Why is that so? Think about lockdown during COVID-19 and how businesses needed to adapt in order to provide services to people using the internet, such as on e-commerce and mobile commerce. Think about the impact that information systems can have in the world, in the future. Do you see technology in your story? Think about it and then come and tell us what you think. We encourage you to come and chat with us about choosing IS as one of your subject choices and potential career options. Come and chat to us about any questions that you have regarding information systems. Thank you for listening. I look forward to meeting you and welcoming you to our department next year. I wish you all the best. May your future be a successful one. Bye for now.